Hello YouTube, welcome to another wonderful tutorial. I know it's been 5 years. Alright, so today I'll be breaking down this wonderful Soukous groove in the key of F. So I posted a short video on YouTube, and I was getting comments to break it down. So I'll be doing just that. This is the first part of the video, because the part 2 we are going to improve on what we've already learned, which is what I'll be breaking down today. So let's get down to business. All right, so as usual, the way I teach, I'll show you first the left hand, then I'll go to the right hand, or better still, I'll show you the right hand first, because the right hand is very simple. So like every other makossa, we are moving from the 1, the 4, the 5, the 4 to the 1, 1, 4, 5. So I'm using this inversion. So for those of you who play in the key of F, it applies to every other key. So I'm using this inversion. This is So, Do, Mi. Okay. So I'm playing an arpeggio on my right hand side. So So, Do, Mi, So, Do, Mi. Then the next chord. So this is the 6, 1, 4. That's La, Do, Fa. Then the regular 5 chord, 5, 7, 2, or So, Ti, Re. Then we'll go back to the 1. So it sounds like this. Let me slow that down. That's all with the right hand. Now let's move to the left hand, where the main issue is. Okay, so it's still like every other makossa, but just the guitarist did something sweet, and we are going to do that on the keyboard. So it sounds like this. So do 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 do, do re, do re, La, Fa, Re, So, 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 Do, Re, La, Fa, So, Do, 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 Do. Okay, so let's break that down. It's quite simple. So, Do, Do. Sorry. So Do as the 5-1, 1, 2, upper octave, 6, 4, then 2, 5, 1, 2, 6, 4. Then we'll end. So do 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 do. So it's still like moving from do, fa, so, fa, do, but we are just adding some notes, extra notes, so to make it interesting. So now where you are going to encounter some little problem is this. So you have to practice that very well. So I found it convenient for me to play it with my index finger. So you need to practice that. So sometimes instead of ending it on the one, so do 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 do, you know, you cycle the makossa. You instead of ending it on so do, you end it on mi la mi la. So like this. Now that's the left hand. So I believe I was slow enough for you to capture that. So if you didn't get that, you can rewind the video and probably slow it down. But I believe it's quite clear. Now let's see if we can add both hands. So it's like this. For you to practice both hands, you have to start gradually. So we want to start from so do 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 do, right? And we are starting together with our right hand. The right hand is starting with sodomi. That's the first thing you need to learn. So do 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 do, right? So you have to slowing down again. Next chord, remember, that's where we are. That's when we move to. So here, let me slow that down. So when you land on the 4, the right hand completes the last cycle of the la, do, fa, so, something like that. So you have to practice that. Now let's add 1 and 2 together. Did you get that? Let me slow that down again. Sorry. Now 2 more chords. That's the saw or the 5. Then we repeat the 4 movement again. So that's all. Now let me play everything together, but slowly. Okay, so it sounds better when there's a groove on, and you can go back and listen to the beginning video where the drum was playing. Unfortunately, I didn't load up my loop, so that's all about this video. In the next video, or the part 2 of this video, I will show you a particular groove that it's quite crazy. The bass line is quite crazy, and the right hand is a little bit complex. So I'll show you how you combine that, and in subsequent video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.